What's up, everybody? This is your boy JR303 coming at you with another video. For today's video, we will be unboxing the HOLOSUN EPS carry, the new optics by HOLOSUN. So, like always, give us those thumbs up and subscribe. You know, we can't build this channel without you. And you can look for us on other social media platforms at JR303 Official on TikTok and Instagram, and JR303 on Odyssey and Rumble. So let's get into this. Today we're going to be unboxing this HOLOSUN EPS carry. I know it's been a while since I've done an unboxing, but you know, at times everything going up, costing more, and then I had purchased a few back, so just been at it, training lately too, getting back into training, which is really good. You really don't realize how rusty you are until you get back into it. But the reason for these EPS carry, and I actually ordered the EPS, the standard, the bigger one, as well, which I will be doing an unboxing of that here in a day or two. Because as you guys know, I have my other 507K on the M&P Performance Center 2.0. And while training, when we're on the ground and doing our carbine training, you just noticed dirt was kicking up into the emitter, and when you, after training, you can just see it. It blocks, it messes with the emitter. And I worried about that, which most of the time you won't really worry about that because you're standing at the range. But I did because we've been doing tactical training. You know, you drop to your belly and take it, and then you're rolling. And so I thought this would be a good purchase. I did, initially, I think I told you guys, I bought a 509T, and I bought that and I put it on my, but it was, you're going to hear a quack, just so you guys know. And I do want to bring that up too, the quacks. If you hear them in the video, it's YouTube stupid rules. You can't say the 3-letter word. So if you hear a quack, that's why. But anyways, like I was saying, let's get into it. I had bought the 509T and I installed it, but that thing was too bulky. I just did not like it. It was too large. And then I seen them come out with this and I was really excited. They're much smaller, but give you the same form factor. And I think it's going to be a great optic. So we will be running this now in my training, and I might switch some optics, and I'll show you those at a later time. But like always, let's get into it. I'm gonna show you, and you can always pause if you need to look at anything. Alright, let's open this up. And I did pick this up off of Optics Planet. They had a 10% off sale running, and with free shipping. It was the best price I could find. So I definitely jumped on both of these. It really worked out because on this, the EPS was showing that it was in stock and I would get it immediately. But the EPS carry was an unknown back date. So I did order it, and which was really strange. They sent out the EPS first, and then I got good news that it got ready for shipment of the HOLOSUN carry, and somehow the carry got here first. So I was pleasantly surprised. Another one, I guess it says it was supposed to be in today, but didn't make it. So it should be in tomorrow or the next day. But here's our box. Nice plastic box. We got foam on the top. And I will do this for sure. Here's your user manual. Like always, I show you the user manual. I know some people, you do find it boring, but you'll see I put chapters, so if you don't want to see the user's manual, then just skip forward. I do this is just if anybody has one, maybe misplaced it, and they need to quick reference a page, they can pause and then do so. Different configurations. Comes with the cleaning cloth. And then look what we got here. So it comes with different screws apparently for different guns and plates. Comes with 3 different sizes. So this is pretty cool. I gotta look on how to install this, and it looks like it comes with the plate that you just install with, you know, the one. I wonder if I can get just a plate that I can install and mount directly to, because the gun it's gonna go on is I got a new gun coming in that you're gonna see soon. It's gonna be the Smith & Wesson Competitor. This is your plate for the optic. You set this, you screw it, and it all screws down through. And this probably goes on the plates that come with the new gun we're gonna be getting. That it's gonna be the Smith & Wesson M&P Competitor we just picked up. I'll probably put the regular EPS on that, and I'll decide what I'm gonna put this on. And I wonder if there's a plate I can order where I don't have to use this, or the plate from Smith & Wesson and just put it so you get a lower profile. I'll look into that and see what we could do. But here's mounting plate. I'll pick it up. They always give you a tool to install. And let's get into it. Here's the optic. It's nice and small. I got the one with the solar panels. Let's see. So I'm not getting it to turn on. I pushed both buttons. I think it might have one of those. Some people said that they just opened it up and it turned right on. Let's see. We have the tool. Let's see if there's like something so it doesn't kick on. Remove that. Move the cover. Oh, okay, there's a pry there. Let's pry it open. Pull out the battery. Oh, it was already in. Yeah, it was already in. So, I don't know. Maybe I'm pushing something wrong. I'm looking. I have to read the manual myself. As always, I open these up new with you guys. Let's put this back. On my other one, you just push the two buttons together. Oh, there we go. Okay, it just came on. So, as you can see, there's optics. So this one is the multi-reticle. That's a 2 MOA dot with a 32 MOA circle, and then the 2 MOA dot with the 32 MOA circle. And let's see. It's back on. Oh yeah, okay, there's the brightness settings. Minus. Okay, there we go. Let me reduce that. So there's our circle. And I'm going to hold it again. And then there's our circle dot. That's how I run it. I use the bottom for up close. Like the sash mark on the bottom is up close. And that has worked really well for me while using these optics. Or the bottom. Just depends on which pew you're running. So it looks really clear. I'm looking at it right now. For some reason with HOLOSUNs, it's not perfectly straight up and down. It's slightly canted a hair. But they say that's within spec. But for what you get, these are really great. I haven't had no real issues with them. So, and I haven't noticed any issues as far as accuracy. So, because I just learned, you learn your optics and sights. So, but here it is, guys. The HOLOSUN EPS carry. And like always, like I said, we have another unboxing coming, the EPS, the regular, and then I'll do another video comparing them side by side. And yeah, so this has a different. So I'll even see if my has the plate for this, because this has more options, it looks like. But here we go. That's really low profile as it is. So I'll have another video. Stay tuned. I'm going to be releasing some range videos soon. You guys can see me. Has been rusty, even though I've been training. It just got to keep on it. But it's all coming back. It's doing good. So like always, give us those thumbs up and subscribe. And till next time.